Bookbinders restore leather spines to preserve rare volumes. Bookbinders restore leather spines to preserve rare volumes.
Style editors assemble editorials to showcase emerging designers. Style editors assemble editorials to showcase emerging designers.
Ecosystem engineers restructure habitats, reshaping community assemblages persistently. Ecosystem engineers restructure habitats, reshaping community assemblages persistently.
Storm chasers document events to improve forecasting models. Storm chasers document events to improve forecasting models.
Assembly technicians align calibration marks before final testing. Assembly technicians align calibration marks before final testing.
Public transport electrification reduces urban petrol dependency significantly. Public transport electrification reduces urban petrol dependency significantly.
She practiced yoga to improve flexibility and reduce stress. She practiced yoga to improve flexibility and reduce stress.
They hiked through the forest to reach the waterfall. They hiked through the forest to reach the waterfall.
Forecast models incorporate humidity to improve daily predictions. Forecast models incorporate humidity to improve daily predictions.
Ionic conductivity increases with tailored polymer electrolytes. Ionic conductivity increases with tailored polymer electrolytes.
Water rights lawyers mediate conflicts during dry seasons. Water rights lawyers mediate conflicts during dry seasons.
Duplex apartments often share common utility meters. Duplex apartments often share common utility meters.
They built wind turbines to generate renewable electricity. They built wind turbines to generate renewable electricity.
Conservationists relocate animals to restore population balance. Conservationists relocate animals to restore population balance.
Chemists design catalysts to speed vital reactions. Chemists design catalysts to speed vital reactions.
Idempotent endpoints tolerate repeated requests without side effects. Idempotent endpoints tolerate repeated requests without side effects.
She explored literature from different cultures and time periods. She explored literature from different cultures and time periods.
Storm forecasters predict runoff to advise emergency responders. Storm forecasters predict runoff to advise emergency responders.
Agroclimatology models predict crop suitability under warming. Agroclimatology models predict crop suitability under warming.
Visa interviews sometimes require language proficiency proofs. Visa interviews sometimes require language proficiency proofs.
Enjoying this? Hit that subscribe button and join the fun. Enjoying this? Hit that subscribe button and join the fun.
Did this video help you with your PTE preparation? Show your love by smashing the like button, sharing it with others who are preparing, and subscribing to our channel for more helpful content. Let's conquer the PTE together.